Hi guys. The very fun way that I like using Ableton is considering myself a one-man band. So let's see how you can be a one-man band and play some jazz. I'll show you my template that I use. So I always make some templates where I find sounds that go along with each other. I see that I can jam with them, especially nights or evening where I don't feel very productive. This is the kind of admin work that I do. I just select drums. I do my drum rack. This is usually saved in advance. And then I choose some sounds. And this is my band. I have a drummer, someone to play the pads, a very Fender Rhodes like. I love this sound. The piano is a clean piano. And then a bass. And also I have a mic in case I want to record myself or do some beatboxing or add something on it. You'll notice that the send tracks, I set them to mono and wide stereo. So in here I just add the utility for mono and stereo for each one of them, and that helps me a lot to do some mixing on the fly. That helps me while I play. So if you notice, I put the pad, I send it all to the wide stereo, and I put it on the left a little bit for the panning. The piano also is being sent all to the wide stereo, and I send it to the right. So if I play the piano, you can hear that it's on the right, and the pad is more on the left. The bass is always centered. I'm not sending it all to mono because it gets really heavy, and this is some adjustment that I do more if I finish recording a track and I want to be more picky about the mixing, the mastering. So this is my setup. Again, this is my drums, my pad, piano, bass, and one last thing, let's check what's the scale we're playing in. So we're playing in F minor blues. This is really handy when you have a push, is that you can just set up a scale and you have all your instruments playing the same scale, so you're not afraid to play a false note. So with that being said, let's jam. Hey guys, I really hope you liked the video. I hope you learned something, enjoyed the jam. For any question or comments, put them below and let's get in touch. Take care.